Welcome back, distance learners. Unify 4G3, recognize a line of symmetry for a two-dimensional figure. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. There's 12 days left of the academic school year for 2019-2020. If this is a year later, well, then it's a year later. Google Classroom, log in there, get after it. Remember your password. Is that set up? Let's go. Let's do a quick review. Remember, ELA, do imaginary reading twice. Achieve 3,000, read an article, read books, do your Google Classroom assignments. Do the YouTube notes, go to Imagine Math, pass 1 to 2 lessons a day, Math Facts, Math Freckle, Math Prodigy. So, let's go. I'll give you some time to read the problem as I find my blue pen. How many lines of symmetry does the figure below have? So we see keyword, lines of symmetry. First off, a review from yesterday. What is a line of symmetry? Let's define it. The line of symmetry can be defined as the axis or imaginary line that passes through the center of the shape or object and divides it into identical halves. Okay? I'll put that back there in a moment. So, if I did a line here, squiggly line, oh, it would have been better to do a straight line. Let's do a straight line. Let's cut this thing in half. The only problem is, if I do cut it in half, when I fold this over that, it's not going to fit. So, no. Let's cut it in half this way. Let's do it straight this time. This is about halfway. Here we go. Oh, I did it over too far. No, it's a blue pen and I can't erase it. Let's just make the line super big. How about that? So you clearly see that line. Oh, there we go. That's a big line. If I would take this piece, maybe move that line just a little over, just a little more, and fold that piece over, that would work. Yes. One line of symmetry. It's as simple as that. Let's not make this too complicated. In fact, I'm hoping this is the easiest stuff all year. Problems. Let's not use the word stuff. Here's some other pictures. So I just went on to Google, best friend in the world, and typed in lines of symmetry. You see all these visuals. If you don't have your math textbook, well, just go online, right? So what are lines of symmetry? You can see here's one line. When you have parallelogram, 4 lines. Cut, 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 cut. Here we go. Whoa, 5 lines of symmetry. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. They're all equal in length. All right. 3 lines of symmetry for this one, and then 4 lines of symmetry for a square. 1, 2, and then the corners. So just the more examples you see, the better that you get. And if you want to know the exact names, I just did another Google search. And wow, what do you get? Lines of symmetry for a rectangle. There's 2. Square, which we just saw. If I go up a little higher, the square, there was 4. Right here, see that? 4 lines of symmetry. All right, this is nice and colorful. A rhombus, there was 2 lines of symmetry. There are 2 lines of symmetry. And what do you know for the problem that we just did, an isosceles trapezoid? That's what this shape is called. Notice how there's 1 line of symmetry, so therefore I proved my answer to be correct. For a trapezoid, I don't care where you draw that line. There's no lines of symmetry. Parallelogram, no lines of symmetry. Let's do some more examples. Why? Because this would have been the shortest video ever. In equilateral triangle, there are 3 lines of symmetry. Interesting. Equilateral means all of these sides are equal. In isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal, 1 is not. Fold it in half, there's 1. A kite. Oh, it's kind of windy today. I should go out and fly a kite. Only 1 line of symmetry. And look at all these shapes. Wow, I'm thinking of stop signs and stuff like that. So when you see this and it's an equal length, notice how there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 here. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There would be 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there. Okay, so, well, depending on the shape, the more lines of symmetry you can have, right? Enough said on this one. Checking my work, the exact language. This is an isosceles trapezoid. There is 1 lines of symmetry. Done. Bye. Remember, please, 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 I cannot understate it enough. Do your homework. I know you're playing the video games, which is fine, but if you play 4 hours of video games, you should do 4 hours of schoolwork. Later.